In this video, I want to show you something very special, which is the best automation that I have ever achieved when it comes to automating SEO blog article writing. And I'm going to start right away with this live presentation of what the blog article looks like. And then I'll get into what the workflow looks like and how you can create your own too, or just use this template if you want to, because I'll add the link in the description under this video. All you need to generate the whole thing is add your target keyword that you want to rank for, add the sitemap post URL, because this way it will be able to do all the internal linking for you. And the third thing is just click run to start and finish the process. Let's get started. So let's say the target keyword is this one, how to work for yourself, right? And let's say I'm gonna use this blog post sitemap URL as an example, and then I'm gonna click run. And the results are ready. So now let's look at the results of the article generated. So this is the final draft of the article. It's fully humanized, as you can read through this, fully interlinked, so internal and external linking. So for example, if you see SWOT analysis is crucial here, it sends you to an outbound link, right? In this case, it's a Wikipedia. But if you click on freelancing, it's another blog article. So it's an internal link from the same, as you can see, it sends to another article. And then again, you have here also, let's not forget lead generation, sends to another article of that blog. Pomodoro technique sends to a Wikipedia page, which is a high domain authority, etc. And it doesn't just end there. You will also have an SEO-friendly article title ready, an SEO-friendly short meta description, the slug URL for the blog article, everything that you need to actually go and post this. So what does the workflow look like? So as I just showed to you, you use the target keyword as an input together with the post sitemap URL of your blog, right? Then the first prompt, it will go with a keyword and look at Google search results first and come up with a better blog outline that maybe fills the gap or includes some topics that the Google search results, the top search results, are not including. So it aims to do a better job when it comes to actually creating a blog outline. Then it will start writing each section. I call them sections, as you can see here. By sections here, I mean paragraphs, right? So it will do, first of all, the introduction, and it's very subjective, the prompt. So if you're actually talking about your own experience and you are the blogger, then you do use phrases in your prompt such as write the paragraph in first person, as if you were speaking from your POV, etc. But change it based on your tone of voice in your blog, etc. Depends what you want to do there. It's very subjective. This will kind of repeat on every section. So this is paragraph 1, after introduction, and then all the paragraphs. So what I did here differently to create this upgrade, let's call it, compared to previous versions that I had, I'm saying do not repeat opening, closing, other patterns, or content from the previous paragraphs. And I'm serving each previous paragraph to the paragraph that I'm generating. So here there are 3 paragraphs previous to this one generated, and then this repeats on all prompts. So it's aware of what has already been written. So I'll do this for all the sections or paragraphs until the section 10 of the outline, which is the conclusion. For all these sections, I'm using Claude 3.5 Sonnet here. Now, what I'm doing again with Claude, I'm also generating a meta description, slug URL, and title. In the next prompt, I'm literally asking to humanize the article. It's a very basic prompt. I'm saying humanize the article below. Make sure it checks all the boxes below. So this, if you are in SEO and in blogging, this comes from Yoast SEO, where it says, hey, transition words must be like this, sentence beginnings must be like this, word complexity, etc. I literally copy pasted everything from Yoast SEO. Here I'm serving all the paragraphs generated together, starting with introduction, paragraph 1, 2, 3, and then conclusion. And I'm using Google Gemini because Google Gemini can look at large amounts of text, and not only, but I'm using the Pro, and I'm also doing grounding with Google search. And the magic is in here because I kind of separated the internal linking tasks here. So first of all, I'm serving the post sitemap URL page content with our web page content.extender. So it's looking at all the posts in here, previous posts. And I'm just saying, identify the URLs to enhance the blog article by strategically adding internal hyperlinks to relevant content through the text, right? And then it tells you, it says, these are the phrases that you could use, and these are the articles that you could link to. So first of all, it's reasoning, it's thinking of what's the best to interlink here for internal linking. Then, based on this conclusion, this analysis, this summary, then I tell, this is the analysis that you gave me, which is this one right here. Now go and you add them into the article. And not only, but once that I ask for it, then I say, you know what, also add outbound links. It has the ability to browse the internet, right? So as you can see now, I'm using O1 Preview, which obviously is a more advanced model, and it can do this task. And it's just doing that. As you can see, not only it's using outbound links, but it's also using our own article. So you will be able to actually automate the whole SEO blog writing process. And what's crazy about this template is that you can even do something like this. As you may know, Promptmate has the ability to bulk process, which means that if you want to do 100 articles at the same time with this method, you can. All you have to do is click to switch CSV input right here and actually upload a CSV. Let's say you have 100 keywords ready to go. And guess what? It will bulk process all the 100 keywords and give you 100 articles back, already ready for you to post on your website. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I will answer as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next video.